Heavy rain and lightning hit the northern suburbs during the Monday morning commute. Storms moving through the Chicago area could produce high winds and hail. All Metra lines are experiencing major delays Monday morning. Service was temporarily suspended on the Union Pacific West, Union Pacific Northwest and Union Pacific North lines Monday morning due to wind warnings. Service resumed just after 7 a.m. as of 7:30 a.m. Monday. The Chicago Department of Aviation reported 100 canceled flights and delays of 30 minutes or more at O'Hare Airport. Midway Airport is experiencing 30-minute delays. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the Chicago area until 10 a.m. Monday. A flash flood watch is also in effect for the Chicago area until 1 a.m. Tuesday. ABC7 meteorologist Tracy Butler said the storms are expected to produce torrential downpours and there is potential for 70 miles per hour winds.